Hello everyone. So you must have understood by my costume what kind of makeup we are doing today. Today we're going to do a simple makeup for Onam, and this is very budget friendly also. I have a clean moisturized face, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some aloe vera gel and then I'm going to apply all over my face. So this I'm using as a primer. Next I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 04 Sand, and I'm going to conceal the pigmentations under my eyes. The sides of my face. Around my mouth. Side of my nose. So wherever I have like pigmentation, that is where I'm going to apply the concealer. And next what I'm going to do is with my finger I'm just going to tap the product and blend it out. So next I'm going to take an Inside 2-in-1 duo stick. This one contains a contour and a highlight. I'm going to take the contour part and I'm going to contour my face. Using my fingers itself, I'm just going to blend it out. So I'm not going to blend it completely. I want a little color left. So I'm just going to slightly blend it out. Now the face is not complete, but I just wanted to set for like 2 minutes. And now I'm going to do the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows with the spoolie, I'm going to take it and I'm going to brush my hair down. And using the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer Pencil, I'm going to use strokes and draw my line. And draw my eyebrows. So since I brushed it downwards, I'm going to do downward strokes. And I'm going to fill in the sparse areas. And at the beginning of the eyebrows, I'm going to go in upward direction. As I reach the middle, I'm going to go in sideways direction. And at the end, I'm going to go in downward strokes. Next, I'm going to take the spoolie again. I'm going to brush my hair upwards. And then I'm going to go over with fully upward strokes. So now I'm going to do my foundation, and for the foundation I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Blemish Balm BB Cream Foundation. I'm going to dot all over my face, except in the areas where I apply the contour. And using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend everything out. So while blending, I'm going to blend it along with the contour, along with the concealer. Now what I'm going to do is, using the concealer, I'm just going to highlight certain parts of my face. So I just want to highlight the forehead, the nose, and my chin, and the small area above my lip. Next, I'm going to set my makeup, and for that I'm using the Dazzler Eye Text Compact Powder. So I'm going to take the powder, blow off the excess, and apply on the areas where I have applied the concealer, and gently dab the product. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow, and for that I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Eyeshadow Palette, and from this I'm going to take this brown color, dust off the excess, and apply over my eyelid. I am not going to use it above my crease. I'm going to make sure that the eyeshadow stays under my crease. Then I'm going to take this grey color. Using the same brush, I'm going to take it, and I'm going to deposit in the outer corner and above my crease. And I'm going to blend it with the brown color. So we're going to take the brown eyeshadow and apply directly under the eye on the lower lid. Next, I'm going to use the EYEBROW Blinking eyeshadow in the shade Brooklyn 6. So this is like a brown color but with shimmers, like a bronzy color I would say. So I'm going to take it on a flat brush and I'm going to apply on the center of my eyes. Also, I'm going to deposit in the corner of my eyes also. So next I'm going to take the EYEBROW, the big apple of my eye kohl pencil, and it is black in color. I am going to apply over my lower eyelid. And also line my upper eyelid. Using a black tip brush, I'm going to smudge it out. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and then I'm going to use the Blue Heaven Liquid Mascara. I have applied falsies because my lashes are very small. You don't need to do that. I put falsies for the aesthetic of it. I'm going to do my lips and cheeks with a single lipstick. So this is the Blue Heaven Elegance Matte Lip Color. I think this is in the shade number 7. So first I'm going to line my lip. And then I'm going to fill in with the color. Now for my cheek, I'm just going to dot it, and with my fingers I'm just going to blend it up. So you have to do this quickly because since it is matte, it will dry fast. And you don't need to apply a lot of the product because it is highly pigmented. So for my highlighter, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow that I used on the center of my lid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fluffy brush, take the product on the brush, tap out the excess, and apply. Now using a setting spray, I'm going to lock the whole makeup. So if you don't have a setting spray, you can also use a floral water, or even you can use a toner. I have done with both. So this is how the final makeup looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it to the end of the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. It will help with the growth of my channel also. Until we meet the next time, see ya!